Flex those muscles, strengthen those hands. Unboxing the Lumina Flex R-shaped hand grips. An equipment to exercise and strengthen your fingers and forearms. This equipment has a built-in counter that monitors the number of successful grips. A click sound is made on each successful grip, and the counter registers each click made. To reset the counter, just turn the knob. This tool is portable, only 4-inch wide and 7-inch long. For forearm muscle training, resistance can be adjusted from 5 kilograms to 100 kilograms. This direction of turn lowers the resistance, and I can make successful grips. And turning to the other direction raises the resistance, and I could not make a successful grip. This is perfect for wrist and forearm workouts. Let me bring down the resistance. With this tension, I can make successful grips. This product is available in 3 colors. A counter is provided so you can monitor your progress by keeping a record. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to get notified for new upload. Please check out the end screens for more contents like this. Thank you for watching.